Target spotted.
Welcome to Site B. This is my mother-in-law's house. My mother-in-law has graciously given me this plot to do a second garden. So today we're going to be working on it a little bit. We're going to be amending it. They skipped a garden this year over here, but we've done a burn pile, so we're going to spread out these ashes, and then we're going to take some of that lovely goat poop, evenly distributed over this square. We have a local straw farm here. They sell the bales of straw pretty cheap. They're like $8 a bale. We've only gone through like a half of one so far, but we're going to be using a lot of it for mulch for next year's garden, and we might bring a bale over here to cover all this once we're done as well. Super excited to show you guys what we do with this space. Obviously, she's got the lovely critters. We got the goats and the chickens. All right, I'm gonna get to work. Oh, we wanted to talk about the cross-pollination and the corn and stuff. One of the reasons why I was actually very, very thankful for my mother-in-law to do this for me was corn. Like I said, I'm a novice gardener, and I've learned that you can't really grow several types of corn together unless you're gonna prevent cross-pollination, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. I can't. I'm lazy. I'm too lazy for that. So I'll at least start one of the three sisters here. I don't know which kind of corn I want to do here yet, but I'm also counting on the farmer not to put corn next year. But yeah, I am not interested in hand pollinating whatsoever. The only thing she asked for to let me use this space is a row. The only thing she asked for in return to letting me use this space is a row of kale. I can do that. So big, huge shout out to Midwest. Huge shout out to Midwest Night Watchers. It's their channel. They have a 24/7 cam going, so we'll actually be able to see our garden 24/7. Link in the dibbly-doo. All right, we got some work to do. Now we're just gonna show it off. Upgraded to a bigger wheelbarrow. And since this is like 80% straw, I don't think we're gonna cover it with straw. Come on. Oh, like a tarp? Because one of these fills up pretty quick. Thinking with portals.
The impulsive thoughts won.
Hey, found this on the way to the shed.
Oh, snap. The mic fell off my head.